All right, we are on. This is Beth.
Hi, I'm Jim.
We are here with Tag Talk episode 3. Today we are going to start taking questions from our customers. Jim here has our first question. Go for it.
So Mrs. Hernandez, she emailed in and she said, I've lost my title. What can you do to replace that? How much would I have to pay? And can you please send it to my new address? Yes, all these things, the answer is yes.
Absolutely.
First off, it is an out-of-state title. This lady is coming from New Jersey and has lost her title in her move, which is typical and very common.
Yep.
So what we would need from her to do this for her is a copy of her identification, a copy of a power of attorney, whether it's the original wet signature now or our DocuSign.
Correct.
Then we would need to know the VIN number to the car and if it was titled to her and anyone else or just in her name alone. If it would have another name on it, it is possible that we may need a second signature and power of attorney and ID in order to retrieve that title from New Jersey.
Right. That's a good point, Jim. I wanted to stop real quick. You talked about the e-signature, being able to use the DocuSign. So this is something new in Maryland where we can use the state forms with an e-signature. It does have to be a actual e-signature. It can't be a typed-in signature. So this allows us as title agents in Maryland to help better serve our customers quicker, keeping their trip down to our office really down to 1 when they come in just to pick up their title.
And as Beth was saying, we can do everything up until the delivery of the title online. Gmail, email, through your fax machine, however you need to communicate. We send our invoices out, they get paid online, and we do all the work. All you have to do is come in and retrieve your title if you're here in Maryland.
That's right.
But if we're doing this for you out of state, we can definitely mail it to you using our priority shipping with a signature confirmation so we're sure that you got your title.
All right.
On to our second
Next
question.
one.
Second question. I recently traded in my registered Maryland 2006 BMW X5 for a 2017 BMW 440 purchased from a dealer located in Pennsylvania. I possess a 60-day tag, temporary, and I retained the Maryland tags from my registration for my old car. I would like to transfer these to my new car. The dealer submitted the PA title work to Pennsylvania DMV, and I should receive it in the mail in 2 weeks. I have a loan. I'm in process of scheduling a Maryland safety inspection, and I'd rather not wait at MVA. This is something we get very commonly.
Yes, we do.
Nobody wants to wait at the MVA.
No.
Nobody wants to deal with a 3-letter agency. So what we do is we go from this, we will call you back and we'll say, yes, we can help you with this. Our answer is always yes, by the way.
Yes, we find a way to help you out.
So what we would need from this customer is just some information about his lien holder, when the car was titled, his bill of sale, and a few other documents that would need to identify the lien holder and their address, and to get everything, all of the IDs present and powers of attorney so that we can do this for you.
That's right.
So with our office, we've typed up this handy dandy little list that gives us everything that you would need in order to move into Maryland and get your tax credit from your previous state.
Yes, tax credit, Jim. That's right. 60 days, unless you're military. If you're military, come see us. Jim is well versed in this. Military personnel who are new to Maryland does have an entire year. They have an entire year in order to claim their excise tax credit from their previous state. But if you are not military, it is very important to know 60 days from taking residency here in Maryland, please see us. Let us know that you are ready to do this so that way you don't lose that tax credit. We've seen many customers lose thousands of dollars just over being maybe 10 days. And they're very, very strict about this. So if you are new to Maryland, it is urgent that you get this done, and we are the ones to help you. We will welcome you to the state. We'll even let you know where to go get dinner.
Beth, what does it mean that I've established residency in Maryland?
Oh my gosh, Jim. Did you go get your Maryland driver's license?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, what's the date on that issue?
It was January 1st of this year.
January 1st. So you have 60 days from January 1st to get your tax credit.
So when I got my license, I started this 60-day clock?
Yes, you did.
All right.
We are clear on that.
It is very clear.
Yes.
So for this gentleman, we would be able to transfer his tags. However, he went from a car to a truck.
Ah.
So in that, you may still retain your tags, and you would just have to pay the full purchase price of the tags over again because of the
Right.
change of class and weight.
Yeah, repurchasing those tags, that is something. But there are people who are really attached. It might be a lucky number, vanity plate, whatever it is. We handle all those different classifications and walk you through that. So if you're really attached to that number that ends in 7553, we can make sure that gets transferred over to your next car.
And then the last thing he was asking about was, how do I get with you and not go to MVA? That's the easiest thing of all.
Yes.
We have a website. It's tagofmd.com.
Yes.
And on there, on the main page, you can book an appointment. You can ask for an estimate. Now, the estimate does say dealer out-of-state estimate
Right.
form, but we do it for everyone.
Yeah, soon we should be updating that, Jim, because we've had a lot of customers asking to use that. So what the heck? We'll build one out for
Absolutely.
you too.
Absolutely. Now, once you've made your appointment with us, we get a notification that this appointment was made, and all the questions that you answered making that appointment, which is only a few, will help us in determining what you'll need for your appointment. So what we do is when we see these scheduled appointments, we print it out so that we have it in our file as to when you're coming in, what day, what time, and we look over the questions and we see the answers. And we will send you a note via email saying you will need X, Y, and Z in order to do this transaction.
Yes.
We want you coming into the office prepared, ready, and able for us to help you on the first go round.
Exactly. One time. That's all we want. We love seeing you. But that's really, we want to keep it down to one visit. And one visit that's really 15, 20 minutes and you're done. We'll go take it over to the motor vehicles if it's something we can't process here. We'll make it easy for you. 7 days a week, we have appointments available. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturdays, 8 a.m. till 2 p.m. And Sundays, 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. Jim helps you out. All of the staff here will help you out. When we see those emails, we act right on it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
As soon as those emails come in, start a business, we're out there, we're sending you your responses, we're letting you know what you need, and we're asking you to come in and see us.
Yes. Thank you so much. Jim, anything else that you want to share while we're on today?
I think that's good for
Cool.
today.
I'm good with that. I think that helps out a lot of people, especially those
Absolutely.
new to Maryland, because we really want to make sure that they feel happy to be here.
Right.
And not bogged down with a bunch of red tape just to get their vehicle on the road.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, come see us, www.tagofmd.com. Give us a call, email us. Any questions you have, let us know. We also have a great Facebook page. You're more than welcome to post any questions that you have as we build out our Tag Talk can't even talk today. Tag Talk podcast. We are also going to encourage you to go to our Facebook page, Ask Tag of MD. Post your questions on there. We're also going to be giving out some prizes, cool things. When you do that and interact with us, we want to have your questions. We want to talk about those and help many, many people. When you call in, it's only one person hearing it. We do this because we want to hear hundreds of people to have this resolution, to know that there's help and this is how you get it done.
Yeah, there's hundreds of people out there just like you that need this work. Thank you so much for joining
Thanks.
us today, and we hope you have a great day.
Take care.